Imagine, for a moment, a family car. What comes to mind? Probably a sensible SUV, or maybe a spacious sedan. Now, throw all that out the window. Christian von Koenigsegg, the mad genius behind some of the world's most extreme hypercars, has once again redefined what's possible. What you're looking at is not just a car, it's a revolution on four wheels. This is the 2026 Koenigsegg Gememera, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about performance and practicality. For decades, the hypercar world has been an exclusive club for two. If you wanted to share the thrill of light-speed acceleration and cornering forces that defy physics, you had to leave your friends and family behind. The back seats, if they existed at all, were a cruel joke. But Koenigsegg asked a simple question. Why? Why can't the ultimate performance machine also be the ultimate family car? The answer to that question is the Gememera car Koenigsegg himself calls the world's first mega GT. And that's not just marketing speak, it's a promise of a four-seater that can comfortably carry for fully grown adults, along with their luggage, to a destination at speeds that would make a fighter jet blush. Let's start with the design, because even standing still, the Gememera is pure drama. It's unmistakably a Koenigsegg. The signature wraparound jet fighter canopy, the short overhangs, and the sleek, aerodynamic profile scream performance. But then, you notice the scale. It's longer, wider, and has a more substantial presence than its two-seater siblings. And then, the party trick. Those massive single-piece automated twisted synchrohelix doors, they don't just open. They articulate upwards and forwards in a breathtaking mechanical ballet, revealing an impossibly large opening. There's no beeper getting in your way. This means climbing into the back is as graceful as stepping into the front. No contorting, no squeezing, just pure, unadulterated ease of access. It's an engineering marvel that serves a purely practical purpose, and that's the genius of Koenigsegg. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of Scandinavian minimalism and high-tech luxury. You're cocooned in a world of carbon fiber, supple Alcantara, and polished metals. But unlike other hypercars, it's not claustrophobic. It feels spacious, airy. The front and rear passengers get their own large central touchscreens, wireless phone chargers, and even heated and cooled Q-folders. Yes, 8 of them. This isn't a stripped-out racer with a couple of extra seats bolted in. This is a genuine luxury grand tourer designed for long journeys. You could cross a continent in this car and emerge feeling refreshed. And remember the luggage. The Gememera has a combined boot space at the front and rear that can swallow for carry-on suitcases. Try doing that in any other car that can top 400 kilometers per hour. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. Or should I say, hearts. The original Gememera concept was already groundbreaking with a 3-cylinder engine, but Koenigsegg decided that wasn't quite mega enough. So, for the production version, they did something truly insane. They've given customers a choice. The standard powertrain is incredible on its own, but the upgrade is what puts the Gememera in a dimension of its own. It's the Jesco's mighty 5-liter, twin-turbo hot V8, re-engineered to fit into the Gememera's mid-engine layout. A hot V8, for those who don't know, means the turbochargers are nestled inside the V of the engine, making it more compact and responsive. This V8 engine alone produces a staggering 1,500 horsepower on E85 fuel. But that's not all. This monstrous internal combustion engine is paired with Koenigsegg's newest, most power-dense electric motor ever, called the Dark Matter. This single E-motor, a revolutionary 6-phase radial flux design, adds another 800 horsepower to the mix. It's a feat of engineering that replaces the 3 smaller motors from the original concept, saving weight and complexity while boosting power. So, let's do the math. 1,500 horsepower from the V8, plus 800 horsepower from the Dark Matter motor. That gives you a combined system output of 2,300 horsepower. Let me say that again. 2,300 horsepower and an earth-shattering 2,750 Newton-meters of torque. These aren't supercar numbers. They're not even hypercar numbers. These are celestial numbers. These are figures that belong to a different plane of existence. All in a car that has 4 seats and a place for your groceries. All that power is channeled through another Koenigsegg innovation, the Lightspeed tourbillon transmission. It's a 9-speed multi-clutch marvel that does away with the traditional flywheel, allowing for instantaneous, predictive gear shifts. It doesn't just shift to the next gear. It can jump from, say, 7th to 4th in the blink of an eye. ensuring you are always in the absolute perfect power band. Combined with an advanced all-wheel drive system with four-wheel torque, vectoring and all-wheel steering, the Gememera has a level of grip and agility that should be impossible for a car of its size. So, what does 2300 horsepower feel like on the road? It's hard to put into words. It's a complete recalibration of your senses. The acceleration doesn't just push you back in your seat. It feels like it's trying to merge your body with the carbon fiber. The CAC Koenigsegg claims a top speed of 400 km per hour or 249 miles per hour. The 0 to 100 or 0 to 62 is expected to be well under 2 seconds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. With its sophisticated suspension, all-wheel steering, and active aerodynamics, the Gememera is designed to devour corners. It can be a comfortable, silent cruiser, running on pure electric power for short trips around town. But with a press of a button, it transforms into a track day weapon that can hunt down and embarrass purpose-built two-seater race cars. Imagine the scenario. You drop the kids off at school in silent electric mode, getting appreciative nods from other parents. Then, on the way to your office, you find an open stretch of road. You engage the V8, and the world outside blurs into a kaleidoscope of color and sound. The roar from that high-revving V8 fills the cabin, a symphony of mechanical fury, as the dark matter motor provides instant, neck-snapping torque. You feel the G-forces build, the tires biting into the asphalt, the chassis communicating every nuance of the road. This is a car that offers a dual personality like no other. It is Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde on four wheels, a serene Grand Tourer and a terrifyingly fast megacar, all rolled into one beautiful, practical package. This is more than just an engineering exercise. It's a statement. Christian von Koenigsegg didn't just build a faster car, he built a better car. He challenged the very conventions of the high-performance world. He proved that you don't have to sacrifice thrill for practicality or performance for company. The Gememera isn't just about the absurd numbers, though they are certainly impressive. It's about the experience. It's about sharing that ultimate automotive thrill with the people you care about. It's about creating memories not just on a racetrack, but on a family road trip. It's the ultimate answer to the question, if you could only have one car, what would it be? For a very, very long time, the answer to that question involved a compromise. With the Koenigsegg Gememera, the compromise is gone. It is, without a doubt, the most complete car ever created. A four-seat luxury GT, with the luggage space of a sedan and the performance of a top-tier hypercar. A family hauler that can rewrite the record books. It is, quite simply, the ultimate family beast. An icon in the making and a true testament to the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. Thanks for watching. If you're as blown away by this machine as we are, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most incredible cars. And let us know in the comments, where would you go on your first road trip in the Gememera?